Do you want to change the background of WhatsApp? You can set a chat background in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change the background of WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Now, a new screen appears with different settings options. Tap on Chats to access different chat-related settings. Under the Display section, tap on the default chat theme. A new screen appears with different theme options. Tap on the wallpaper at the bottom of the screen. Now choose a background for your WhatsApp chat screen or select one image from your device gallery. After selecting the background, tap on the tick button. Now, your WhatsApp chat background will be updated with the wallpaper you selected.